You want Izzy?
Yeah. Yeah, I want Izzy. Hi, baby.
Oh, Izzy.
Izzy, come here.
Your mama wants you.
Come here. He's my favorite.
Yeah, that's your baby.
Yeah. I love her. Why are you laughing?
Oh, because she's cute.
Hug. Hug me. Give me a hug. Don't. Come on. Be quiet. Come. Ow!
Let her go.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that, Dad?
You hugged her too tight.
I just want to be your friend. Shh, be quiet. I just want to be her friend.
I know.
No. I want to be a friend now. I want to be a friend now. No one wants to be my friend.
I'll be your friend.
You'll be my friend.
Oh, don't suck. That's not good, okay?
Okay.